Hey guys, welcome to Lips, Shoes, and Issues. I'm Jeannie. Thanks for tuning in, and let's play with makeup. It's kind of crazy. Okay. So, these Marc Jacobs eyeliners, Highliners, are on sale. And they were discounted pretty steeply. Is that a word? Steeply? It was a steep discount at Sephora. So I bought 2 of them because they're Marc Jacobs and gotta try them. I got silver lining. I bought silver lining, which I'm not gonna try right now because it's more of a holiday highliner. But I got Blitz Coin, which is, I think, a bronzy brown. And I am going to try this. And I'm also going to try this ever so popular. So many influencers have gone on and on about the Maybelline Sky High Mascara. We got to try it. I bought it. We have to try it. Because, I mean, are their eyelashes looking like tarantula lashes? I don't know. We'll find out. So, this is the Marc Jacobs Blitz Coin. And I kind of like that name, Blitz Coin. It just kind of reminded me of a copper penny. I don't know. I think it was like $13. But I don't... Oh, okay. Oh, all right. It's a... I didn't know it was an inky liner. And the way I thought I saw some of the models wearing it was above their eyeliner on their lashes. More like a shadow. But here, let's swatch it. Oh, it's like a copper. I wasn't really going for that, but hey, let's try it. Now, I already have a little bit of black eyeliner on, just a little bit, so I'm going to go above it, that's all. Let's see. Ooh, it's thick. It's thick at the point, so I'm going to thin it out right there on my palm. I'm going to thin it out on my hand. All right, here goes. I had lots of coffee. I had lots of coffee this morning. So I'm a little shaky. Calm down, Jeannie. Calm down. Okay, it's pretty precise. Oh, okay, it is so pretty. This color is. I'm going to do a little wing. Just a little one. Oh, it's very light, so I can't really see the wing. But so I have a little bit of black eyeliner on my lashes, the line of my lashes. So I just went a little above the black, and it is freaking gorgeous. Wow, I love it. Whoa. I love the color because it's a light coppery brown. And I like that. It's not loud and obnoxious. It's just subtle. Let's see if we can do this here. I'm going slow because I don't want to overdo it. But honestly, it feels like you really can't overdo this. All right. Don't know. Okay. All right, this is a winner. This is really a winner. This is really pretty. And it's drying up on my hand. This is really pretty. Marc Jacobs Big Blitz Coin Highliner. Metallic liquid gel eyeliner. So you can use it as an eyeliner, but I'm kind of using it the way I saw the model using it. So it turned out really pretty. The Marc Jacobs Blitz Coin. All right. While it's drying on my hand, because I'm going to test it on my hand to see if it's going to smear, let's go in with the Maybelline Sky High. No primer, not curling my lashes, nothing. And, you know, these are supposed to create tarantula lashes. Let's see. Okay. So this is in black, intense black, and it's waterproof. And you can see the comb. It's like a round comb, like they're doing with the mascaras lately. I don't really know the purpose of these combs, except I think they're supposed to separate your lashes. Here goes. And this is waterproof. Oh. Ooh. That's kind of gross. I didn't use a eye primer, so my eyeshadow's creasing. Oh well. All right, here we go. All right, here we go. Now again, I know I keep saying this, but my eyelashes are like, they go crazy. They go in, they go out, they go sideways, they go up, they go down. They're just, I do need to get them under control. So, one thing I'm finding with this mascara is it's a little dry. Almost like it's old. That ain't good. It's getting a little clumpy. This is coat 1. So I'm going to mix it up. What the heck? All right. Maybe I'm not doing this right? I don't know. Not bad for the first coat. Not bad. I'm going to keep going because I'm going to do 3 coats. All right. It seems to dry quickly. And that might be good for some people, and for some it's not, like me, because I have to control my lashes. All right. I can't tell. I don't know. All right, here we go. Going in with coat 2. So it's getting kind of clumpy on this eye here. All right. So this is coat 2. I think you can see it's a little more clumpy here than it is here. I don't know why. I think the third coat, I'm going to do this one first and then this one. See how that works. Okay, coat 3. It takes a little work for my eyelashes because again, they're crisscross. They're crisscross and up and down. I love the way my bottom lashes turned out. It really did pick up the baby hairs and make them look like they're eyelashes. So I look like I have bottom lashes. And I do like that. My final review is, this is a great drugstore mascara. And, but it doesn't do, I mean, if I were to compare it with the other mascaras that I have, I'm not finding much of a difference because I can work with any mascara, I think, or the mascaras that I do have, and sit here and do 3 coats and use my pin to separate my lashes, and I think it would turn out the same. I don't see tarantula lashes, so I'm assuming that the other the testers that you see on YouTube or TikTok or whatever, they probably have an eyelash lift and they're probably using a lash length or a lash serum to lengthen their lashes, which I actually started doing that about a week ago. But I'm not going to see any results for maybe a month. But what one am I using? Well, if it works, I'll let you know what one I'm using. So I think this was $9. Oh my gosh, it's getting hot in here. Oof. I think this one was about $9. And, you know, I do like the results. I definitely like the results. And from what I do understand, this will last all day. If it doesn't, if it flakes and smears, I will definitely come back and let you know. But if I don't come back after this video and let you know that it flaked and smeared, then you know that it lasted, because I think it says, no, it doesn't. But it's waterproof. Most likely it's going to last. But if it smears or flakes, I will come back at the end of this video and let you know. But if I don't, it lasted. As far as the Marc Jacobs Blitz coin, no brainer. Run out and get this. I love this. And it dried on my hand. I didn't do this yet, so I don't know. I'm just doing it with you guys. Is it smearing? No, oh my God, no, not at all. Let me go in harder. It's not smearing at all. And it doesn't even look like it's dry all the way. I'll go in a little harder. I'm going in hard. Oh my gosh, it's not moving. It's not moving. Okay, I'm going to go in really hard here. Did it move? What? Okay, so this is going to last all day. Probably till tomorrow, or maybe even further. But I'll be washing it off tonight with my Jeanee cleansing balm, which takes off everything, okay? But wow, come on. All right, it did smear a little bit. Okay, but I had to go in that hard for that. Okay. Anyway, it's fun. Anyway, I'll see you soon. Watching?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know, you're bored.
But we're done. We're done with this video. We're done. The like button is...
Or
Hit the like button.
3, 2...
So, bye.